And we have some Nickelodeons. I have green and pink, which is down here I'm playing with. But if you want to go see what they look like and everything, go to my channel and it'll be in the description down below. And be sure to subscribe to it too, because we are halfway, or not halfway, we are so close to 100 subscribers on there. We just need to get there, like, if we can tonight or something. But other than that, I'm loving my hair. I just literally did it. Basically, boxer braids, half of it, and then you just literally curl your pigtails after that. Do you attach it with the ponytail each side? And yeah, I'm loving my hair. Like, it's on fleek. I did have my hair up in a ponytail and stuff, and then now it's just like this because I wanted to look something. Have my hair different for the vlog because I've never had it so cute like this. Yeah. Anyways, you guys know how I'm saying that subscribe to my channel. Be sure to subscribe to every single one of our channels. Tell them what channels you have that you want them to subscribe to.
Gracie Pryor Vlogs and Gracie Pryor.
I thought you had another one. No? Oh.
Yeah, Gracie
Oh,
Pryor
wait, yeah.
Vlogs.
Oh, yeah. I was thinking of this channel, but go subscribe to those. Link down below. Go subscribe to my channel and this channel. You guys need to subscribe to this channel. And also, we got some great news. We hit 200 subscribers. How do you feel, Gracie? Are you like super happy?
Yeah.
Guys, I never thought we would make it 200 subscribers, and me and Gracie were so excited when we saw it. We hit 200 subscribers last night, and we got so happy. And now we have 201 right now, but yeah, we hit 200 subscribers. We have 201, like I said, but I'm hoping we can make it to 300 by the end of this year or something like that. But you guys are so amazing. My heart is so, I'm just like so blessed for you guys and everything. Aren't we so blessed to have these subscribers?
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll see you guys later in the vlog. We're just like crazy, and it's like so much today and everything. But just go check out my channel, and yeah. Okay, guys, it is later, and my head started hurting, so I took out my hair, and now it's like really wavy, and then half like straight too. And currently, I've been just editing because my editing for my video for today, the slime video, and yeah, sorry, just looking out the window because I thought somebody was on. But should I do like no ASMR? But I'm gonna probably eat something because I'm like so hungry. So currently, guys, it is later and I'm the only one home and stuff. So I will see you guys when Gracie gets here. Guys, look who's home, Miss Gracie. Where'd you guys go?
The Dollar Tree, yeah. We were checking out some new stuff because they finally put the Christmas stuff out, like all of it. Like they had it out and stuff, but they like haven't had it out.
Oh.
Like.
Did you get some good things?
I got something I really wanted, and then I got something. I basically got stuff I wanted. I only got 2 items because I didn't really want a lot of stuff.
So you got 2? That's cool. But we'll see you guys when she shows her surprises.
I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I only got 2 items because this is the stuff I just needed, and I didn't really want nothing else. And I just got some bath bombs because in the lavender and they're pink, of course, I had to get them. And they're pretty cute, and lavender smells good. And I got some foam balls because it's going to be for this slime. I'm going to do it on my vlogging channel tonight. So subscribe to my vlogging channel down below. Woo! That's going together. And that's pretty much all I got because I know I'm going to do a bath bomb. This is my second day doing bath bombs. I love doing bath bombs, guys.
Hey, what are you going to do with the slime?
I'm going to see how much it can hold. And if I actually have a little bit too much, I'm probably going to give you it. Like the extra. I don't know.
For real?
I don't know where I'm going to put it though, but I'm probably going to keep it in something else and probably put my phone, the rest of the phone box.
Guys, look how little these things are. They're so little. And then the bath bombs, of course.
Because it would seem cool to do that. Okay.
Are you going to put all 3 or just one?
I was recording the whole time.
Are you going to put all 3 of them in? The bath bombs? I wonder what it feels like to
I might
put.
do one every night.
Guys, I wonder what it feels like to just put flown beads in water and just get in the tub full of flown beads. Should we do that on our channel? Comment down below, Gracie.
What?
Tell them to comment down below if we should do water and flown beads together and just take a bath like that.
What? No, that would make a mess.
No, I'm just saying, like, if you want to have fun.
Oh, we can put it in shaving cream. That'd be better. So
do whatever we want to. Bath bombs and flown beads together.
Let's just say we should buy every single bath, like bath soap, foam beads, bath bomb, anything that requires to use for a bathtub. Like we put it all in.
Every single thing in a tub. So, right? Sorry, the lighting was bad. So we'll see you guys later when we end it and show her when we show her slime and when. We're not going to be able to see the bath bomb. So if you guys want to see the bath bomb, go to her vlogging channel and be sure to check it out. And you guys will be able to see the bath bomb and the slime. So, yeah. See you guys later.
Okay, here. Okay, guys, so I already did my Nickelodeon slimes. And I did in the clear, I put some little fruits. And in the green, of course, I put some foam beads. And then the blue, I left it plain. So I have a plain, fun, and crafty one. And we're gonna end off the vlog today. And if you guys enjoyed the video, and Kayla also did.
Yeah. Guys, if you guys see my video today, I mean it's not gonna upload till like later or probably next Saturday. Yeah, I think I'm gonna post it for next Saturday. And if you guys haven't seen this, well, whenever you guys get to, actually I will post it today. But look, it's purple now because we added some blue. We put some foam in it, and then we put some these like bee charm things. So, and then here, hold this, Gracie. Yeah. And then here's it. Focus on me. It's probably really bright. And then with my green slime,
there we go.
all I did was get something and made some snow slime or like cloud slime, and
You got
really diaper basically. And I made cloud slime. So I'm loving
jelly,
it.
basically jelly slime. If you don't add that much.
I'm really loving it so much.
Sorry about that.
This is my kind of slime and foam. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and close today's vlog. Like as Gracie was saying.
If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that
subscribe button. You guys know that.
Yeah. And turn on our post notification to watch every video.
And let's hope to make it to 250 subscribers by the end of this month, and then by the end of this year, our goal is to get to how much?